Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. In today's video, I'm just going to show you what we are doing today, our usual activities here at the business where we are right now. I'm not traveling, I'm not doing any content like I travel. I just need to prepare some cash so that I can do some travel videos once again. So upon organizing that, I just need to work, and this work that you are seeing here, or that you're going to see here, this is the work that gives me money for me to travel, for me to do anything that you see on this channel. I do support myself on this channel, and uh, not just I. Let me say, what can I say? It is because of the passion that I have for my country, for my people here in Ndola, and for the people outside there who don't know about Ndola, about Zambia. So that's why I'm always here to show you, to showcase places, to showcase areas about my area. So today's week, we are going to do some cleanings, we are going to do some uh, business work, even you're going to see what is happening here. So guys, this is what we are doing today. Let me show you. This is my friend. If you can remember, we did that video about Tenge, about yes, this is gift. He has come even today just to work here, just to support himself for something else. So even today we are working. Let me show what we are doing. How mwana mention for yaramba? Oh yaramba. They can put them. So guys, we are trying to clean these dishes, these buckets and dishes. You can see this is a bucket of milk here, and we have these buckets here. We do sell these buckets for $1. You can see, so we are trying to clean them because of the dust that we have here in Dollar Zambia. There is so much dust. Let me show you. Just take a look at this. You see the dust here. So this is what we are doing. So before cleaning, before doing all sort of things, we need to remove this and clean this table. So we've already cleaned the table, and then what we're doing is cleaning these buckets. You can see we've brought some new water. Let me say clean water. That one, you can see it's so clean rather than the previous one that we had. Mbike mwishingi. Zaero achani, mbike mutunono. Shingi. Zaero wabuka. Wabuka. Atabi wangu wafuru kuli. Shikalipa. Jongo, mkesalia kumai mwangu. Ushtalo waje jongo. Bala pena matini. Umushitire? Ano mageza mipapasha. Sasa umpape iwe. Nisho wale nchikira wakashwani. Wamisira kwa mdenzi jambe nani. Jala bi. Bari kukabunikana baba. Nayo wamaye. But okay. Do you know kama left? You can see the dust, guys. You can see. So this dust, this is what is causing those buckets to be dirty. So finally we are done. We've already cleaned everything there. All we need is just to get those two crates and move them and put them where they are supposed to be. You see, at least they're even looking good, these buckets. Hmm? At least we are trying. And then what remaining is just to put those things there in order. Yes. Some people may ask to say, where is the fridge that was there where those drinks are? I saw. Let me see. No? I took that fridge to the repair because it was giving me some problems. Whenever you turn it on, the things in the fridge, they were not getting cold. So somebody told me that we need to fill the gas in there. So I took it to the refrigeration repair. Yeah, that's what I can say. These are some of the important activities that we've been doing at this business. And when you have something which is really, really helping you to do anything that you want to do, it's so important to take that full responsible, and that you just need to put it at the heart, because it is giving you something which will make you achieve all the things that you want in life. For example, like I told you to say, this business helps me to organize some income so that I can travel. Some places that you've been seeing on this channel, they are not maybe nearby places. You need to book a taxi. You need to book. You need to go with a bus, maybe 3 buses, 2 buses, for you to reach to a certain destination. And for me to do that, I cannot just start walking from where I stay or where I live, going to the same place. I need to book a taxi for me to reach there, and to document things that you've been seeing on this channel, to document areas, to showcase the dollar that you don't know. So I'm glad and I'm so happy that I've done what I've done, because it is going to help me and it is going to help you, my viewers, to say, okay, this is this and this is that. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. I'm out.